Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host Jasmine, and today we're learning how to express want in Cantonese in different situations. To say I want, you say 我想. I want water. 我想飲水. 我想飲水. I want to eat. 我想食嘢. 我想食嘢. I want to sleep. 我想瞓覺. 我想瞓覺. I want to go home. 我想返屋企. 我想返屋企. I want to buy something. 我想買嘢. 我想買嘢. I want to watch a movie. 我想睇戲. 我想睇戲. I want to study Cantonese. 我想學廣東話. 我想學廣東話. I want to travel. 我想去旅行. 我想去旅行. I want to rest. 我想休息. 我想休息. I want to meet friends. 我想見朋友. 我想見朋友. I want coffee. 我想飲咖啡. 我想飲咖啡. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to take your Cantonese to the next level, check out my Cantonese courses and ebooks on talkacademy.com. See you in the next video.